Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be letting you guys know the things that I have done to reduce my menstrual cramps. I used to experience like very horrible pain. Like my period pain was so severe. Like every month it was different. Like some months I vomit, I have diarrhea, I'm weak, you know, like pain of course. And then other months I might just have the pain and then maybe no vomiting. So it all depends. Like it's like a month by month. Like every month I don't know what to expect. You know, like people always tell me, oh, do this, do that. Like in Jamaica they say, oh, drink dog blood bush. And it doesn't have anything to do with dog, I think. But anyways, I've never tried that, but of course I would try it if, you know, if I get the chance.
I did research the dog blood weed, just up to minor research, and he said that it's like a very reputable medicine herb. So guys, it's good for the female reproductive tract. So if you decide to try it, please let me know if it works for you. And I'm definitely gonna try it when I go back to Jamaica because I doubt I can get it in Japan.
Anyway, so while I'm in Japan, the things that I have done to reduce my period pain. So the first thing that I do is 2 weeks before my period is supposed to come, because I always track my period. I use a calendar on my phone. So whenever my period comes, like the first day I usually just put period, and then I just count 28 days after that, and I know, okay, around that time my period is supposed to come again. So about 2 weeks before my period is supposed to come, I try to limit the amount of meat that I eat, or if I can completely cut it out, I do that. Sometimes it's very hard for me because, you know, if I don't cook, then it's gonna be very hard to find a meal that has no form of meat. So what I usually do during this period, if I cook, I try to just eat 2 weeks worth of fish, and I like salmon, so I usually just cook salmon and eat it for 2 weeks, or vegetables. So that's basically what I do. And I try to cut out ice cream and dairy stuff because I love ice cream almost every day, literally. So yeah, so I cut out meat and dairy. The next thing that I do is I try to drink coconut water, because I don't remember what they said. There's something in the coconut water that helps to soothe your stomach or something like that. I don't remember. I'm gonna probably research and insert something in it.
Coconut water contains electrolytes, and electrolytes are very vital for the body. It helps with dehydration among many other things.
I'm just sharing what I do that helps me, and I hope that if you guys implement it, it can also help you to reduce the pain, right? So I drink coconut water maybe 2 days, 3 days before, because coconut water is very expensive here. So I drink it a few days before and on the day. So maybe the first or second day of my period, I just continue drinking it throughout. And another thing that I do is I take iron pills. So yeah, luckily I have my iron pill right here. So I take this one. It's the Nature Mead, and it's 65 mg. So I take it like maybe a week before. Like, to be honest, I always forget to take my iron pill, but I try to remember like a week or two before my period, and I try to take it as consistently as I can for those 2 weeks. So I do this as well. And what else do I do? Yeah guys, so honestly this is an impromptu video. I didn't get to write down anything, so I'm gonna insert any other information that I have. Those are all the things that I do to help me to reduce my period pain, and I hope that if you guys try any of these, that it actually work for you, because it's just so stressful that women have to go through so much. But anyway, you know, each one help one, so you gotta help out, look out for each other. If you guys try any of these or all of it, let me know in the comment section. Please come back to this video and let me know, guys, if it actually works. I hope it does, because, you know, like the pain ain't it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.